All right, my goal today is to get this bathroom sanded and painted. Here we go. Okay, I just finished sanding the walls to the best of my ability. All right, I couldn't find our paint tray, and we only had one that has a crack in the bottom. So here we are. I used some foil, some duct tape, make a paint tray. This is the one that has a crack. There's probably nothing I hate to do more than painting. And the fact that I have to paint around all of these things, it's gonna drive me crazy. Painting around the heater, painting around the propane. It's gonna suck. I ran out of paint, so I'm going to Lowe's. Sometimes, like, just to be real with you guys, I hate painting. Like, sometimes painting's not that bad. Right now, I hate painting. Like, I get so stressed out and I get angry about painting because there's just so many little things that I have to work around, and I really don't enjoy painting. Hold on, I've got to go up this hill real quick. Our driveway is just so bad. We need rocks really bad. Let's see, we'll get up here. Okay, we made it. But, I mean, like, I just get so angry, and there's stuff all over the floor, and since we're moved in, like, all of our things are in there, and everything gets all dusty, and I'm so bad at painting. I literally get paint everywhere. It drips on the floor, it drips in the tub. And it's just so frustrating to me, and I get really stressed out, and I hate it, and it like ruins my time. Trying to not let it ruin my day, but I mean, just to be honest, like, not everything rocks. It freaking sucks. So I'm going to the Lowe's to get paint, but I also am going to go to Walmart because we have no groceries. So if I'm making the trip in, I might as well get groceries. So here we go. Filling up the ice tray. We'll see how it goes. Alright, this will be interesting. This hard one-handed. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby, baby. It works. So while I have the paint out, I want to paint these corners. So this one and this one, I would like to get them painted. That would make me feel good. So we'll see. So Dylan and I are going on a hike, and we are planning out trails that we're going to make in the future. So we have like orange spray paint to mark the trees we want to take down, and then we're just like moving brush and things out of the way for now. So right before my parents got this property, the previous owners had it logged. So there's some logging roads that are already here, but in Kentucky the ground is very erosive. Like, it just goes away with the water. So A lot of them now have huge ravines in them, so you can't like drive a four-wheeler or anything on them right now. But we're gonna start with one of those logging roads and follow it around the property. Okay, I'm going to Lowe's this morning to build the corner shelf to hold our food. I don't know what we're gonna do. So I want our recycling to be down here and then the shelves to start up here, but I don't know how to make shelves. So I wrote down the measurements and I'm gonna go to Lowe's. Okay, I got those brackets. I hope they work. They're expensive. It came out to like $63 or something like that. Luckily, I had a gift card from our Aunt Ellen. Thank you, Aunt Ellen, for purchasing our shelves today. But I hope it works. It's expensive. So I got these, and I'm just gonna mark them 2 feet up. I just marked them there and there. And I'm gonna screw them in. Okay, so these just lock into place like this. Super easy. I got 3. This is just a piece of drywall so I can make sure it's even, but kind of sticks out pretty far. The room will definitely be smaller, but it's better than all this. So now I just need to find wood to make the actual shelves. So we have a ton of extra wood laying around. What's wrong, buddy? Huh? What's wrong? But we have lots of extra wood. I just need to decide what I want to use, I guess. This piece looks good enough, so I'm gonna pull it out and measure it and cut it. We did it. So we put up the shelves today and cleaned this whole back room, and it's so nice because you can walk through it now. So here's our shelves we put up, and then we have the recycling right below it, and then we hung all of our coats right here for now. That's where the washer and dryer will go eventually. And then we clean the bathroom. We have our towels, we have all of our things, you know, still lots to do, but feels way better. Front's looking good. We finally cleaned off the table. And we're just making dinner.